Hey over Beauties, it's Steph here, and today we are going into details about one of the most important parts of your makeup routine, your base, your primer. We always want to be sure that we try our best to perfect our base, and there are so many different products that we could use to make it happen. I'm going to be telling you guys all about them, so you'll be able to decide what is best for you and your skin. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and reverse this glam and get into it. Alright, so I am barefaced and ready to continue on with the most important part of the makeup routine, our base. I have 7 different primers in front of me, and we are going to go deep into detail with every single one of them, do some skin swatches so you guys can find the perfect one for your skin type and your needs. So let's go ahead and start off with the first one. The first primer we're going to dive into is the Absolute Cover Face Primer. This gives you such a beautiful blurred effect on the skin, and the cream-like consistency blends so well to create such a nice even canvas, so it is the perfect base. It also helps to keep oils under control on your face and keeps your makeup looking fresh for up to 12 hours. I definitely recommend this one for someone with combination, maybe even oily skin, because it really helps keep everything locked in, all those oils, all day long. So it keeps your makeup looking fresh, and it truly helps to create that perfect little even canvas, and it just looks so good. It feels so good on the skin, and this one is definitely up there for me. Next up, we have the Rodeo Drive Primer. If you are into just looking extra dewy, super glowy, then this is your choice. I am telling you, we have the iconic Rodeo Drive Highlight, but like times 10 in this illuminating primer. The Rodeo Drive Pearl has more of a champagne look to it, and it's got a satin finish, but the pores are put out of focus with a radiant payoff. You guys can use this mixed with your foundation or just as the perfect base for a dewy glam that's not oily or greasy. Next up, we have the Facelifting Flash Primer. So this one I would recommend to those of you who want more of a skincare approach to primer. I recommend this to everyone, but especially those of you with more mature skin, because this is like a facelift in a bottle. The Facelifting Flash Primer will firm and tighten your skin's appearance for up to 8 hours. So this all-natural skincare solution is like getting a facelift without the risky procedure. It's suitable to use before makeup application, so the Facelifting Flash Primer consists of refined and naturally occurring minerals, algae, and seaweeds that create the tightening effect, and it may be used in the morning and evening. The Rays of Light Primer is the next one we are moving into. It is yet another illuminating primer that creates a beautiful dewy effect on the skin. It has a satin-like finish, and imperfections will be out of focus as this lightweight primer adds a hint of warmth to your face that will give you that lit from within radiance that you can wear on its own or as the perfect base for your summertime glow. Next up, we have the Silicone Primer Gel. Now this one I recommend to all of you. It is universal, and it truly just helps you feel secure knowing that your makeup's gonna be perfectly set all day. It's got that tackiness that your foundation will most definitely stick to. With the Silicone Primer Gel, your skin will be prepped to perfect because it was made to refine pores and create a smooth canvas for that all day and all night glam. The second to last primer, we have Northern Lights. The Northern Lights primer is absolutely stunning. 100% one of my favorites because it gives you that perfect, super soft focus and ultimate glow from within, and it's absolutely stunning. With Northern Lights, you can prime and glow without the oiliness because it's a soft focus formula. Your imperfections will be diffused as this light-catching prepping potion dries to a satin finish and creates the smoothest base for your makeup. Last but certainly not least, we have my personal all-time favorite, Cool as a Cucumber. If you guys have dry skin, or if you just like a little skincare mixed in with your primer, this is the one for you. It is so cooling, so soothing, and it just feels so good on the skin, and I love me a little extra moisturizer. I'll take a little more anytime that I can get. So I am actually going to be using this one today on my skin and showing you guys what it looks like with foundation and a full glam look at the end. So let's go ahead and pop this on. I'm gonna go ahead and just pump this onto my hand. So I am just patting Cool as a Cucumber all over my face. It's got such a nice velvety formula, and it just feels so smoothing, but also like it's just got a nice little cool down effect to it. With that cucumber and all those other amazing skincare ingredients, it just truly makes your face feel so relieved and just just cool as a cucumber, you know? But I love the fact that I'm not super dewy. I do still have that mattifying effect because it is a mattifying and a moisturizing duo in here, so my skin just feels amazing, and with it I just feel confident in the fact that my foundation is going to glide on so beautifully because it really feels like I have a super smooth and even base. So without any further ado, I'm going to pop on some foundation and show you guys just how even and beautiful it looks, and then I'm going to finish up with some full glam and you guys will see the ultimate end result. We are back in full glam, and Cool as a Cucumber primer is still thriving and shining through all of these layers of foundation and powder. This primer seriously was such a game changer for me, and that's why it's the one that I had to try on for you guys. It's my all-time favorite and I just love it. I mean, it just creates such a flawless base and it keeps this makeup on all day long and continuously feels so moisturizing, not drying, and it's just the one. Don't forget that every single makeup look starts with a base. Whether you're going for glowy and illuminating, or snatched and moisturized, or even oil-free and poreless, you guys can find something that works for all of those on overcosmetics.com. So be sure to treat your skin, perfect that base, and make it happen. Thank you guys so much again for tuning into this video. I truly appreciate it. If you guys did like it, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up right down there. And also while you're down there, don't forget to subscribe to Oprah's YouTube channel and leave a comment on what you'd like to see next. Sending my love to all of you, and I hope you have an amazing day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I will see you guys in the next one.